love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to.
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at na-orasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.
Libra. This is a Libra reading for bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Libra, you're trying to find your strength to communicate because the energy feels backbreaking already. Okay, let's see. Lover's card, overthinking, sadness. Libra reading for the month, bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Alright? Nararamdaman ko ang bigat ng emosyon. I highly guarantee you to have the Madagascar Black Tourmaline for the protection of you from bad energies and grounding of your emotions. And of course, ang ating rose quartz to balance your heart chakra and to attract naman good relationships, alright? And syempre, normally kapag if we feel down, naapektuhan din ang manifestations about abundance, I highly recommend ang ating citrine. Okay? Let's see, anong meron para sa mga Libra? Bonus reading for the month of June. Okay, happy family in reverse. Alright. You feel sad na yung mga plano, yung mga long-term plans about moving this relationship forward, mga long-term goals, ngayon medyo hindi na makita. Nagdala ng sadness sa situation, crying over spilled milk, but you're trying to manage your emotions right now. Sabi mo is you're doing the best that you can to handle this, alright? The World card in reverse, nandun ka pa rin sa same old cycle, may mga bagay na tinanggap ka, nandun pa rin, no? You're still overthinking things. Nandito ka right now, you're trying to find happiness, naghahanap ka, I feel you're dating, okay? Offering love. This is like dating, friends, umiinom, being mga reunion, alright? So right now, I feel may dalawang feminine na involved sa connection na to at may stalking na nagaganap. Okay? And because of that, nagkaroon ng miscommunication, misunderstanding at painful situation here. You wanna drop the burden, sabi mo is magiging mas careful ka na, the Fool card in reverse sa mga actions mo. You're trying to find the strength to communicate pero you have a back and forth energy here, hindi mo alam kung paano mo gagawin tong conversation na to, alright? Let's see. Anong nangyayari, Libra? Bakit may dalawang involved na queen here? The reason for the reading is fight, competition, drama. Okay. Because of that, natapos, no, or naudlot, nagkaroon ng blockage sa passionate connection because of mga actions na hindi pinag-isipan, mga rash decision. So kung ano man yung soulmate connection here, nagkaroon ng problema, naudlot, nagkaroon ng blockage, nagkaroon ng disharmony. Okay? So right now, meron ka mga pinagpe-pray for you to have a decision already. Ano ba talaga yung mga dapat mong gawin? Mga dapat mong ayusin? Kaya ba talagang i-fix? Alright? Gusto mong itap yung the Emperor energy mo for you to take the lead and ayusin, no, kung ano man yung mga naging gulo dito. Right now, hindi ka makamove forward, nahirapan ka to walk away from your person, from the soul connection, but the Strength card is in reverse. Hindi mo kaya mag-walk away, nahirapan ka right now. Okay? Yung person mo, very traditional, sabi niya, alam niya kung anong gusto niya. Hierophant is the traditional relationship, kasal, okay? Nasabi niya is alam niya kung ano yung tatanggapin niya or hindi. Okay? Very strong yung energy na alam nung person mo kung ano talaga yung gusto niya. So, meron kang mga doubt right now. I feel nagkakaroon ng self-reflection. Paano ka ba magtrato ng partner? Paano ka ba magmahal? I feel this is on the masculine side, alright? Kasi yung cup of love niya nakabaliktad. Tama ba yung perception mo ng love? Totoo ba na ganun ka, nakakasakit ka na hindi mo alam? Totoo ba yung mga pagkukulang mo or nag-overreact lang yung partner mo? Or nangyari na to ng paulit-ulit, sinabihan ka na parang hindi ka loving, hindi ka nurturing, hindi ka protective, hindi ka provider. You know, yung mga traditional roles, yung mga expectations sa relationship. I feel this is not the first time na, kumbaga, may nagdaeng sa'yo na napapabayaan mo yung connection but you feel na wala kang ginagawang mali. So, right now, this time, nagkakaroon na ng introspection na baka nga talagang may kailangan ng i-correct sa'yo. Because, sa proseso ng nasasaktan mo, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, nasasaktan ka rin. Alright? So, ibig sabihin ko, ano yung mga pain at suffering na meron ka right now, nagkakaroon ng realization na, kumbaga, sa'yo din galing yun. Okay? In the next 3 months, I feel magkakaroon ng malaking blessing, but parang may sadness. Malaking blessing na magdadala ng sadness, but you would try to release yourself from overthinking at tatanggalin mo yung blindfold mo. At ito yung magiging mas logical ka na ano ba talaga yung nangyari. Titignan mo rin yung mga perspective ng ibang tao at kung may naging ambag ka rin kung bakit nagkaroon ng delay sa mga blessing na gusto mo. Meron ka pa rin atras abante, energy, very Libra, analysis paralysis, overthinking, hindi ka makapag-decide, but this is because the Fool card is in reverse. Ayaw mo nang magkamali, ayaw mo nang gumawa ng foolish decisions because until the next 3 months, nandun pa rin yung parang na-trauma ka rin, no? Nasaktan ka rin kung ano yung mga paulit-ulit na failed relationships na nagkaroon ka. So parang mas magiging discerning ka kung ano man. Okay? The outcome would be lies. Ano tong lies na to? Sinong hindi mapagkakatiwalaan? Sinong hindi mapagkakatiwalaan here? Clarify. Marami kang magiging plano. Be honest sa sarili mo. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo bago ka gumawa ng plano? Okay? Kasi magiging solid lang naman yung plano na yan kung decided ka. May plano. You miss your person. You long for your person. But, the way, kung sino yung may kasalanan, kung sino yung nakasakit dito, the way na babalik siya dun sa person, napaka-sneaky. Hindi honest yung energy. Hindi ko yun gusto. Oh, you see? This is the masculine's energy of marami siyang sasabihin na plano. Na maaaring hindi na naman niya mapanindigan. This is plano, plan A, plan B. Na maaaring hindi na naman niya mapanindigan. May mga lies. Kaya lang siya babalik is because namimiss niya yung person. You see? Merong ino-offer na cup of love, apology, and conversation, and there's something fishy about it. Maraming ipaplano, ipapangako na stability, okay, about this relationship. Keep your guards up para sa mga feminine energy. Hanggat hindi nabibigay ang plano sa harap mo, hanggat hindi nagmamaterialize, potential lang yan. Alright? Baka madrawing na naman. Mahirap yan. Alright. Hindi ko nakikita ng very selfish pa rin yung energy ng masculine here. Though gusto niyang maging happy, this is the happy card. But selfish, kaya siya bumabalik kasi nalulungkot siya. That is so unfair. I don't like that. I don't like that. Very manipulative. No. No, 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 no. Okay? Nagpe-play sa utak ko ang kanta ni Lady Gaga at, is it Beyonce? Telephone. Ganon. Stop calling, stop calling. I don't wanna talk anymore. And that would be the Libra reading for the month of, bonus reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. Bye-bye, Libra!